Hello, in this video I'll be taking a look at earnings releases. Now this is one of the bigger announcements that you'll see for a particular stock. It simply shows what the company earned or didn't earn during the previous quarter, year, etc. 99.9% of the time that we're talking about quarterly releases, and you can just default to that typically when you're in a conversation. I'm at Morningstar here, slash earnings calendar, ASPX. This is one of the more convenient places to find information. And as you can see, I have August 1st pulled up, and it gives you the releases that are coming up during this particular session. And you can see that most of them are after the market close, and that's pretty common. You get some before the open, and you can see that each one of these companies, you can click on it and find out a little bit more about the company, the financials and stuff with, like, say, Black Diamond. In this particular calendar, you have the transcript. If it's available after the release, you can click on that and read through the legalese if you like. Wall Street earnings per share estimate is ahead, and then the actual earnings per share estimate, the actual release, comes out as well. And you can see this is for just about anything you can imagine. So that's one of the reasons I like this calendar so much. You have large companies, such as Lowe's, but you also have other companies that, you may not be as familiar with. Hawaii Telecom, for example. Heineken, of course, is a huge one. But pretty much what you're looking for, you can find. Now, you can go through the calendar, and each day, of course, will bring up new uh, particular companies that are releasing that day. And these, of course, are quarterly earnings releases. Now, it's pretty straightforward if the earnings release misses horribly. Say the earnings per share is supposed to be Allegheny Corporation. Here we go. This is supposed to be $5.08 per share. Well, what if it comes in at 2? Well, that means that the stock is most certainly overvalued and it needs to drop, and it will drop more than likely. If it comes in, say, at 509 or 507, that's probably going to be pretty much a non-event because it's basically the same number. On the other hand, though, if the number comes in at, say, 7.20, then that's obviously much better than anticipated. And that obviously should bring buyers into this particular stock. So it gives you an idea as to what an earnings release can do, but you need to know what the earnings estimate is previously.